Hey, is RQ's garage home? Hello? We need him.
How's it going, guys? We picked up this mechanics roller seat from Harbor Freight. Honestly, I really wanted this so badly, so I just bought it, and I figured let's do a little product review. Let's build it, let's review it, and let's see how it works. I've never had one of these before. In my previous videos, every time I'm working on cars, I'm always using a milk crate or I'm on my knees. So I figured it'd be time for a little upgrade. This mechanics roller seat was $40, I believe, from Harbor Freight. I bought this a little while back, so maybe it was a little bit cheaper prior to inflation. This is not sponsored by any means, and I figured it'd be a cool opportunity to build something and show you guys what I really think about this product. Are you ready? Because I am. Let's get after it. This mechanic seat really piqued my interest because it's just the perfect height for working on cars. It looked really durable. I mean, the cushion looks pretty good. You can put all your tools in this tray down here. And I think it's got a 250-pound weight capacity. So I think I should be within that weight limit. But I really wanted one of these. I've always wanted one. I've never had one when working on my videos, if you've seen. So I'm really excited to unbox it and assemble it. Let's get to it. So right off the bat, pretty simple. It's not anything extremely difficult in terms of the design. The tray at the bottom is a plastic. I didn't know that. These are all steel, and then the cushion itself is, it's a cushion. It's not super comfortable, but it's better than, you know, being on your knees. Instructions look pretty straightforward, so I'm just gonna go ahead and assemble it. And yeah, we'll assemble it, we'll give it a little review, and we'll give it a little test run, but just wanted to see what this all looked like and to show you guys along the way. All right, she's done. All right, review time. Oh. Well, I can tell you that the seating position is really nice. If you want to work on stuff, it's a good height. Cushion isn't the best. Yeah, it's very flat. There's no cushioning at all on this bad boy. It's kind of like a rock. Well, I just fell. Seems like one of the casters got stuck on a rock and it just whipped me backwards. So, not the strongest of supports. I do like how there's space right here where you can put your tools at. It's sturdy, but again, the cushion isn't the best. It's very flat. Like immediately as I sat on it, it was soft for like 1 second and then it was just hard as a rock. There are supports underneath. Not sure if you can see them, but there are supports underneath. Casters, I was just rolling around on the casters and it got stuck on a rock and I literally just fell. So, I mean, it was 40 bucks. It's an investment, but to be honest, I'm not sure if I would buy this again. We got it. I've seen a couple YouTube videos where people actually upgrade the casters and the seat, but I do like the height. It's a good seating position. I think it's gonna be better than just being on my hands and knees or even using a milk crate. But overall, for the money it's worth, I think you could find something better. Regardless, I bought it. We have it. I've always wanted to review this thing, and we did. Well, guys, Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If this video was helpful and it helped you decide if you wanted to purchase this mechanics chair from Harbor Freight, give it a thumbs up and leave some comments below. Do you guys have this chair? Are you looking to buy a chair? If you do, let me know what you're thinking. I think it's okay for the money. I'm just not sure I would buy it again, to be honest with you. But I'm Rami. This is RQ's Garage. Thank you so much for joining today, and we'll see you on the next one. Well, I just fell.